Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I got an interesting video. I'm going to be doing a catch can install and a rear tail light change, from style at least. So let's get into the video right away. You already know. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and unbox these. And by the way, these are pre-order as of right now. They're not officially out, I think, as of this time. But anyways, let's get to the unboxing. Nice. Heck yeah. There you go. Very nice. So the reason I had gotten these is because these are completely different the way they look when they're on, and the other ones that I had were eBay ones, so they were kind of giving out in a way. So I just went ahead and got some new ones, and these have like the synchronized turn signals, but they should be direct plug and play. We're gonna go ahead and get it connected and see how they look. All right, so this is before the ones I currently have on, eBay ones. You can see that one is out right there. Turns on fine with the rest, but it just flickers and acts up, so go ahead and replace those.
5 minutes later.
Just like that, they're in. They don't look much different. They kind of do. You can see a little bit more glossy, less matte. But when you click it, damn, son. Sheesh. Infinite mirrors. Yesterday I put in the tail lights. I'm gonna go ahead and just add this into the same video. See, as you can see, tail lights. Anyways, we're also gonna be putting a catch can on today. Let's pop her open. And for those who are wondering, it's this. But yeah, the rest is in the car. Anyways, go ahead and get that installed and put it on. Yeah, not too sure how it goes on yet, but I'll figure it out here in a second. I'm guessing somewhere down there, that vacuum line. Anyways, let me figure it out and I'll give it right back to you guys. All right, so I'll figure it out. This hose down there, this one right there, you can't really see it. Just disconnect your intake, and then you should be able to get to it. Just like that. And right here you can see it, this hose right under here, this one. And you take that one out, that way we can put the catch can there. But let me show you guys something real quick, because I know y'all tripping. But anyways, yeah, mine hasn't been plugged in this whole time, just FYI. That's fucking nice to know. Anywho, let's hook it up. So I'm making some kind of a ghetto invention. Not really, because it's gonna work. It works pretty good. So since I took off that hose, I was gonna throw it away. I mean, I might as well just cut it off like right around here, and then I shoved it into the PVC hose I was gonna use, and it's gonna plug in here or whatever, and then point there. And that's not the final mounting point, it's just what I came up with so far. I had to makeshift the mounting bracket for it because I'm not gonna lie, this isn't for this car. It's just for another LS. I think it's for like a Camaro, I think. Anyways, got it secondhand, pretty cheap, so I'm gonna make it work either way. Catch can's a catch can. But yeah, I'm gonna finish setting it up and I get back to it. Alright, so I got the catch can in, so you can see using those factory retainers up there, which is really nice. And then this one also, I failed to mention, has a little valve right here to empty it. But I mean, it's pretty easy to take this out, so I'll probably be taking it out when I do change it. Anyways, let's get that intake on and then start it up and see what we get. So if y'all enjoyed the video, go ahead and leave a like and subscribe. I have more coming out soon for sure. Don't know what's next. I'm gonna surprise y'all. We'll see what's up, but catch y'all then.